Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to put to test this Biotique Bio Almond Oil. It's their soothing face and eye makeup cleanser, and I'm going to use these small cotton pads. You can use bigger cotton pads if those are more convenient for you. And I've taken a small amount of cleanser on the cotton pad, and I'm just for a few seconds resting it on the eyes, and then I will move on to the lips. I'll use the same cotton pad for eyes and the lips initially. This is the first time I'm using this cleanser and I wanted to see how it performs. So I've put on a very deep lip shade, and also on the eyes I'm using a Rested for Overstay eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics, which is very difficult to remove. I normally use oil to take it off. It doesn't come off very easily. And the mascara I have used is also waterproof mascara. So let's just see if it's going to remove everything and how well it is going to remove everything. So on the eyes, I rested the cotton pad with the cleanser for a few seconds before I rubbed everything off. And on the lips, I'm like directly rubbing it away. I did take another one and I poured a little bit of more cleanser, and the second time around I'm going to clean my eyes, lips and even the face makeup with the cotton pad. And once I have covered the entire face with this cleanser is a little bit oily. You can actually feel the oil in the cleanser. So I'm just going to cover my entire face with this oil, and then I'm going to move on to a wet wipe, and I'm just going to remove the makeup and the cleanser off of my face. I would have preferred washing my face, but since I'm doing this in front of the camera, I thought let me just use a wet wipe and clean my entire face up. So on the first wipe, you can see there is still a lot of makeup that is coming off. That's because I left the oily cleanser on my face for a few seconds so that I could take it off with the wipe. And then I'm again using a clean wipe to ensure that all of the dirt and makeup and whatever residue is left on my face, it just comes off and my face is clean enough to apply my skincare. Now I'm ensuring that on the eyelids, under the eyes, on my eyelashes, upper and lower both, there is no residue of anything that is left. This cleanser has done a very good job. I think it's because of the oiliness that is there in the cleanser that it has cleaned up everything really well. It has taken off the entire lip shade. It has taken off the eyeliner completely. It has taken off the mascara completely. So all in all, it's a good cleanser, but I would still prefer to go with my natural oil. It can be coconut oil, it can be olive oil. If I have to use a cotton pad or a wet wipe to remove the makeup from my face, it's still going to rub on my face. So if you are comfortable using cleansers and cotton pads on your face, I would definitely recommend this cleanser to you. It is a good cleanser, but if you are like me and you prefer just using your fingers and some oil to clean off all the makeup from your face, and if you want to see how I remove my makeup using just oil and my fingers, I have a video on that and I will link that in the description box down below. So make sure that you check it out. And on that note, I am signing off. I will see you again very soon with another cruelty-free video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.